Today I thought I would come for a little bit of a nature walk and decided to bring you all along with me. I'm sure we'll see some form of a critter here. Here's a sign that says it's a gator habitat, so maybe we'll see a gator today. I'm not sure if you could read what the sign says, but this property is a certified bird and butterfly sanctuary. There are off the beaten paths right here. But there's a sign over here that says the main trail, so I think I'll stick to the main trail today. You can see that a tree fell, and the roots are actually right here. I'm sure if you spend enough time down by the water, you would see a gator. Cypress Swamp. This is actually the wettest part of the trail that I've noticed. Up until this point, the trail was pretty dry. Pretty dry considering how much it's been raining. Here's a wet part. Let's see. Best way to get around this. I think this is the point where I need to turn around. It's all wet here. So I made it back to this sign, so I'm going to go ahead and take the exit. This is the path that I probably would have come up on, because there's an exit sign right there. Rained and tired down there. Alright friends, we're coming to the end of the trail right now. It was about a mile long, so not too terribly long, but it was nice just to be able to get outside and walk around a bit I was a little sad I didn't get to see a gopher toward us anywhere, but it is what it is. It's a bit hot out right now, so I think it's time to get into some air conditioning. Until next time, take care. Bye.